This program is brought to you by Ministry of Education and Vocational Training, UNICEF, and the Global Partnership for Education.
Hello, my dear pupil. Welcome to our science lesson, which is going to be presented by me, Teacher Omar Mbai. Shortly, we have seen different animals eating varieties of food. Have you eaten anything today? If yes, nod your head 3 times. A child is eating food. A red colobus monkey eating food. A goat is eating food. A horse is eating food. A dog is eating food. We have seen different animals, including the boy. In science, you and I, even your friend there, are in group of animals. Which food does each animal eat? Excellent. Well tried. The goat eats plants only. The goat eats plants only. The dog eats flesh. Sometimes we say meat, but the dog eats flesh only. And the child eats both flesh and plant. That means meat and vegetables. In science, a child is called, can you tell me? Well, omnivorous animal. Omnivorous animal. The child is called omnivorous animal. Now, my dear pupil, I want you to give me another examples of omnivorous animals. Try to think. Okay? Don't worry. I have another example here of omnivorous. Can you read it? Bear is an omnivorous animal because bear eats flesh and plants. Another example, baboon. Can you repeat after me? Baboon. We say baboon is omnivorous animal because it eats flesh and plants. Okay, now, what about the goat? What about the goat? We have already seen the picture of a goat. Excellent. Yes, the goat is a herbivorous animal. The goat is a herbivorous animal. Herbivorous. Okay, now, think of another example of herbivorous animal. Can you think Can you try to think? Excellent. Okay, here we have another example of herbivorous. Sheep. Sheep is herbivorous animal because sheep eats only plants. Cow. Good. Cow. Cow is herbivorous animal because it eats plants. Okay, try to remember our picture there. What about the dog? Can you try it? Okay, yes. Carnivorous animal. The dog is a carnivorous animal. Why? Because the dog eats only flesh. The dog is carnivorous animal because it eats flesh. Okay, now, would you please give me another example of carnivorous animal? Brilliant. Okay, don't worry, I have an example here. Cat. Cat is carnivorous animal. Lion. Good, very good. Is a carnivorous animal. Now, my dear pupil, nowadays we have dangerous disease outside. It's called COVID-19. Yeah. All the world have this disease. So to overcome and to get away from this disease, which caused by coronavirus. So in order to be away from this disease, we have to wash, to clean our body every time. We wash our hands by using soap. So we have already do this exercise. So let's praise ourselves. Okay, stand up please. Okay, stand up, yeah. All of you stand up, yes. Now we are going to wash our hands. But first, look what I'm going to do here. Wash, wash, wash. Wash, wash, wash. Wash, wash, wash. Wash with the soap. Okay? Let's do again. Wash, wash, wash. Wash, wash, wash. Wash with the soap. Then dry, dry, dry. Dry, dry, dry. Coronavirus away. Okay, let's do all together. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Wash, wash, wash. Wash, wash, wash. Wash with the soap. Dry, dry, dry. Dry, dry, dry. Coronavirus away. Good. Okay, please take your seat. Yes, sit down. Now I want you to look at me, my dear pupil. Look at me very carefully. I have something here delicious. What am I doing? What am I doing? Very good. Yes, I'm eating. But what I am eating? I am eating meat. Here we have meat and salads. So, meat is a flesh and salad is a plant. Therefore, in science, I am an example of a omnivorous animal because I'm eating flesh and a salad. Omnivorous. I am omnivorous. And you, my dear pupil, you are omnivorous too, because you eat flesh and plant. In science, we use these words. So what about the dog? The dog is a carnivorous animal. The dog is a carnivorous animal because the dog eats only flesh. What about the goat? Yes, the goat is a herbivorous animal because it eats only plants. There are 3 types of animal, which are, read it all of you, okay? Omnivorous, omnivorous, come on, carnivorous, again, carnivorous, yes, well tried, herbivorous, good, herbivorous. Okay, now my dear pupil and other viewers, remember that all animals are organisms. They need love, care, and protection. They need what? They need love, care, and protection. We have to protect our animal. Kwa hiyo, msiwapige wanyama, msiwaonee wanyama, kwani wanyama wanataka kuishi kama sisi. I think you have done excellent job, my dears. Okay, my dear, what I want you to stay home, because home is very safe, away from groups, wash your hands, clean your clothes, okay, and read your books. What I want you to do an exercise. Write 2 animals that are called herbivorous, 2 animals that are called carnivorous, and 2 animals that are omnivorous. Okay, my dear pupil, what I want you to stay home, stay safe, read your books, clean your hands with the water and soap every time. Okay? So here come the end of our lesson for today. Until next period. Okay? Goodbye, my dears. Goodbye.